Hello, my name is Marina Kirova and I'm a piano teacher. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you an easy way to read and write the notes in C3 octave written in bass clef. I recommend that you first watch the video from lesson number 3, in which I talk about the notes of the middle C octave, because they are very similar to those of today's lesson. As we already know from the previous lessons, the notes alternate. If one is on the line, the next is on a space. Again, line note, space note. The order of the notes remains the same. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. In music theory, two places stand out from which to start counting notes from C3 octave. One starting point is C from C3 octave and the other starting from middle C. C3 octave is located below the middle C octave. Here is middle C octave and below it the C3 octave. This is middle C and this C3. They are two different keys. If we start counting the notes from C3, all we have to do is remember exactly where C3 is to be written on the staff and alternate the line with the space as we say the order of the notes. We will say it in an ascending direction, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and not C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, because we will go upwards. Here is what I mean. C3 is located on the second space between the second and third lines of the staff. I recommend that you learn this by heart. As soon as C3 is a space note, the next note, D, is a line note, E is a space note, F a line note, G a space note, A a line note, B a space note. This is the first way to find notes from C3 octave, starting counting from C3. Let's look at the second one, starting counting from middle C. The alternation of line and space remains the same, but we have to say the notes in the reverse order, since the middle C octave is above the C3 octave and we will go down. The middle C is on the ledger line, below it is B on the space. A line, G space, F line, E space, D line, and C space. I recommend that you learn both ways to make your counting faster. An easy way to learn the notes by heart is if you build up a sentence from words starting with the note's letter. For example, for the notes on the spaces, it can be cats eat green beans. And about the line notes, distance far away. Or you can create your own sentence in a similar way. I hope this lesson was very helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next lesson. Bye!